It's on now, bro. I just turned it on.
Now, what's up?
What up, YouTube?
Oh, I'm gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah? You're gonna be on
My first week riding, so don't judge me.
You're gonna be on Pornhub. Got the new bike, the shitty one.
By new, you mean 50 years old.
Yeah, 50-year-old Yamaha CBR 500 and R6. Shoo! Sounds good. Too loud. Straight pipe 4-cylinder sounds pretty good. I finally got some more biker friends. They're all new, but you know, that's alright. Gotta be careful. These boys don't know what they're doing. I mean, neither do I, but I know a little bit more than them. But that's alright. What you doing, bruh? Can this get in gear, please? Dang, bro, nice dash. Nice dash.
Thank you.
I don't know what he's doing. Ooh, boy, burning up that clutch. Shee-wee! Yeah, that thing's basically right out the header, so it's freaking loud. Sounds good though. Go 3 wide. Yes, sir. The flames go crazy. Smoke. Bikes harmonized, that sounds so cool. Ha ha! Finally some W content. Yeah, bro, he ain't bad at riding. He ain't bad at shifting and all that, so I let him ride my bike before, so he ain't too bad, you know. But definitely got some learning to do. Ain't no freaking wheelies. I don't know where we're going. Oh yeah, I think we're going to Buford. A little downtown Buford. Ah, this visor's so hard to come up. Gotta show him who's daddy. Hee hee! Freaking sick, yo! Get some rollers on my boy. Yee! Wish I had someone to film some content of me. Nah, I'm just kidding, it's alright. I don't need all that. Going. Maybe downtown Buford or something. That's what he said. Look at that boy go. Tunnel. Yes, sir. That boy crazy. I have no idea where we're going. Yeah, he back there, we're chilling. Bro, look at this fool. What's he doing? Friggin' crazy on the 500. Ah! Nah, I'll catch up. Don't even worry about it, baby. fun cruising downtown like this. Woo, get some shots of the new bike. Yes, sir. Looking dope. Hopefully I'm still recording. Yeah, I am. Haha, we had the same idea. Bro, on the 500 definitely did not make that. Oh, what? Yeah, he did. What the frick? Yo, where are we going? Oh, slow down. Dang, son. Tell me to chill out. You need to chill out. Yo, how far are we going? How far are we going? Where are we going? That thing is freaking smoking. I should probably tell him about that. I mean, he already knows, but I don't know. He needs to slow down. Yo, slow down, you're smoking. Slow down, you're smoking, bruh. Freaking. We need Cardos, bruh. Can't hear what I'm saying. Doing. Let me get a picture of this too. Sit on it. Sit on that thing. Sweet.
Are we dipping? That's how we dip? Yeah?
So back that way and then turn right.
Yeah, the big road.
Oh, turned off.
Is that hot?
Huh?
Is that hot?
I don't think so.
No making out here. Oh. Okay, let's dip. You might pull a demo.
Bro, you freaking turn my bike off?
What?
You freaking turn my bike off? Alright, y'all, well, that's enough shenanigans for tonight. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.